Alright, well this is called the bearing housing, and this is where, among other things, the ignition switch actuators all go, all this lovely stuff here, so I'm going to go ahead and stick that in. Here's the sector gear. I like to put a little grease on this as I go here, just to make sure it's going to work smoothly. This is going to go right in here. Spin that around a little bit. There's that little spring. It clips right here in the bottom. Right there. Right there. There's what's called the rack. I'm going to put a little grease here on the bottom of this here. Now this part, this tooth in the rack has got to engage at the large tooth on the cam here. So that's all working nice and smooth. To pull it back a little bit, I'm going to put the locking pin in. Again, I'm greasing that all up. This has to go in this slot in the cam. Now, this little spring here has to go over here. Little spring has to go in here. That part of the spring goes in there. And then right down here, little screw goes right in here. Notice I haven't put that shaft in yet, but here's the shaft that goes in the other end, and this will hold that in place. And this actually is activated by the lock cylinder. I'll tap that in a second. I just want to tighten this spring down. Make sure everything is coordinated here. Oh, that came off. Take that off again. To get this around there. this little guy here has got to go in this little slot here. And it's a little harder than it looks. There we go. Get it around. Okay, try again. Aha. Tighten that screw up now. Okay. Now you can see how that all coordinates together. So that's got to be in here, and this has to be in here, and the locking pin has to be engaged there. Now I need to drive this shaft in a little bit further down here. Just like that. All right, time for the next step.